I'll be demonstrating how to set up a Graco pack and play using a pack and play yard with automatic folding feet. But the same process applies to most yards in the pack and play family. Remove the main yard unit and mattress. Keeping the yard slightly open with the center up, straighten all 4 rails until they latch and are rigid. If the top rails don't latch, lift the center of the floor higher and try again. Hold one end of the unit off the ground and push the center of the floor down. Some models also have a reach-through bassinet, which allows you to push the center of the floor down through the opening in the bassinet. If you do not have a reach-through bassinet, you can attach your bassinet at this time. And install the tubes and mattress. Or you can use your unit as a yard by putting the mattress in the bottom. Make sure your mattress is fastened correctly by threading the 2 straps under the mattress pad through the buttonholes and fastening them securely on the bottom of the unit. Then, take the 4 straps with the snaps on the end, thread them through the bottom of the yard, and snap them to the tube on each corner. Make sure to read all of your instruction manual before using your pack and play.